Hello everyone, I'm William from Hsun Wang. Today I'm going to share a little bit more about our company and highlight the product. We are specifically targeting the exporter. As you can see, we see ourselves as a manufacturer and exporter. Our head office is located at Zhanghua. We are specialized in crimping tool and related accessories for the electrical and automotive market since 1997. Especially our famous exchangeable crimper is granting patent in Germany, USA, Taiwan, and China. With technical support from German partners, Hsun Wang continually launch new and cutting-edge products to fulfill the market demand every year. Not only that, Hsun Wang has earned a good reputation in the industry around the world. Because of it, high precision performance and German design made in Taiwan quality. As a pioneer and expert of crimping tool, many customers cooperate with us to develop new crimping die set to have an advantage in the market. Let me introduce our highlight product, the Master Deutsch Connect Crimper Kit. It is a combination of 8 different jaws with 6 different size releasing tool, removal tool, and wire stripper. Let's start with the jaws. The jaws are for 2 different types of terminals, open barrel as known as stem and formed, and solid type terminals. The open barrel type contents are in size 12, 16, and 20. We have 6 jaws to terminate wire from 10 to 22 AWG. On the other hand, the solid type jaws have 2 indents and 4 indents. Start from the DTP series. Using the right wire and terminals is important. Otherwise, you will fail to crimp. It is the result of using the right wire and terminals. Let's move on to the DT series. It has 3 different sizes on this series. Again, using the right tools will make your crimp successful. Finally, the DTM series. The DTM series is for the open barrel type terminals as well. It covers AWG 20, 18, and 16. Next, move on to the jaws for solid type terminals. The K7 and KQ8 die. The K7 has 2 indents on the side of the terminals. For the other hand, KQ8 has 4 indents on the side of the terminals after you crimp. We have 3 different sizes of release tool and 1 removal tool. The release tool is for AWG 14, 16, and 20. First, remove the cap, then using the removal tool to hook off the cap from inside. Using release tool to put in and let the wings of the terminal close to release. Slightly pull to pull out the terminal. Finally, the wire stripper from the kit. This stripper is for AWG 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, and 10. Very easy to use and very lightweight. Just before we finish, I had a piece of good news to share with you guys. The good news is the new product is coming out this year. This tool is suitable for Yasaki type. We are very excited to show you what it is, so stay tuned. If you have any further question you'd like to ask, please contact us. Our lovely team member will serve you warm. Thank you for your listening.